Nature Street is a Make in India initiative to bring to you the delicious and pure taste of mother's kitchen, no matter where you are. It also believes in bringing the natural, vegetarian, and organic experience of comfort food to your table. All their items have been made with love, freshly prepared and handmade for an authentic experience and taste. We get the blend of their rare mix of spices, which is perfect to accompany our food. They have a wide range of products. My favorite is the Chilli Pickle. This bottled jar of spicy and savory green chili pickle in barley water is an amazing chili pickle and a very tasty side dish. It is perfectly seasoned with mixed condiments for accompanying our meal. This pickle has been given an exciting twist with barley water, making it a unique combination of rich flavors with digestive benefits. The pickle is made with perfection and packed in a sustainable bottle for longer and lasting usage. Barley also contains azelaic acid that will help to keep acne and pimples away, and also help to prevent clogged pores and any breakouts. With so many essential minerals and vitamins, this also helps to maintain clear and glowing skin, and also has anti-aging benefits. Now, who doesn't want a healthy glowing skin? I think now this video answers all our questions regarding why we should choose this product, why we should try this out, and what are its benefits, like how this product is standing out. And we can definitely say that this product is one of a kind. The brand is trustworthy and delivers everything that it promises. The product is a vegetarian product. It is vegan friendly and obviously it doesn't have any garlic or onion. It has essential health benefits, great taste, handmade, made in India, and of course, safe to consume and easy to store. In short, this product is a must try and you should all try this product.
Hecmo.com, India's women marketplace.